Hey everyone, the Minisforum X1 Lite-255 is a compact micro PC engineered for users who want true desktop performance without the footprint of a traditional tower. Despite its small 0.84-liter chassis, it brings surprisingly capable hardware to the table, anchored by AMD's Ryzen 7255 processor. This Zen 4-based chip gives the system real workstation flexibility, packing 8 cores, 16 threads. Its 65-watt power envelope positions it closer to mainstream desktop CPUs than typical low-power mini-PC chips. And that performance potential is immediately noticeable in demanding workloads. Paired with the integrated Radeon 780M GPU, the X1 Lite-255 manages creative tasks, light 3D modeling, and even casual or esports gaming with ease. One of the most interesting aspects of the X1 Lite-255 is its support for external GPU expansion through an OCU link connection. Minisforum includes an M.2 adapter, so users can easily pair the system with a discrete desktop GPU. This turns the tiny box into a fully capable gaming setup or a compact but powerful creative workstation, depending on the card you attach. For a PC of this size, that level of modularity adds serious long-term value and allows the machine to scale far beyond what its integrated GPU would typically allow. Inside the chassis, Minisforum provides a surprising amount of upgrade potential. 2 DDR5 SODIMM slots allow up to 128 gigs of memory, which is more than enough even for heavy virtual machine use, or large project pipelines. Storage flexibility is equally strong thanks to dual M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 x4 slots that can house up to 8 terabytes of SSD capacity. For users dealing with large datasets, 4K footage, or rapid local caching, 4K, the system has no trouble keeping up. Given that the base model ships without RAM or storage, Minisforum clearly expects users to tailor the build to their specific needs. Even though the X1 Lite-255 focuses on performance and expandability, Minisforum doesn't skimp on connectivity. A USB 4 port, fast external storage, high-end docking setups, and video output. Power delivery support works in both directions. The system can accept 65 to 100 watt USB-C input and provide 15 watt output for accessories. HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 give it native support for high-resolution monitors, including 8K at 60 Hz or up to 3 4K displays simultaneously. Additional USB ports, 2.5G Ethernet, and a standard audio jack round out the I/O, making the device capable of replacing a full desktop without adapters. Wireless connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, offering modern latency and throughput for peripherals and networking. The physical design maintains Minisforum's established minimalist approach. At just 130 by 126 by 47.2 millimeters and around 0.67 kilograms, the X1 Lite-255 is extremely portable, and VESA mounting support makes it simple to hide behind a monitor for a clutter-free setup. Despite its small enclosure, the cooling system is well-engineered, using phase-change thermal materials, dual heat pipes, and a large fan to keep temperatures stable. Minisforum claims that the fan noise remains below 35 decibels during typical workloads. Overall, the Minisforum X1 Lite-255 is a compelling micro PC for users who want compact hardware without compromising on desktop-grade performance. Its Zen 4 CPU, generous memory and storage options, modern connectivity, and optional eGPU support create a versatile platform for professionals, creators, and enthusiasts alike. The entry-level model's affordable price, despite shipping bare bones, makes it even more appealing to users who prefer to customize their system from the ground up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.